Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to play Pokemon Go on your PC. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so the first thing what we need to do is go ahead and download BlueStacks onto your PC. If you're not sure how to do that, I will leave a link in the description below. So basically what we need to do is head over to BlueStacks and then click on BlueStacks. Click on download BlueStacks, click on the blue download button and then go ahead and install it. Once you've done that, open up BlueStacks. Alright, as you can see, I've opened up BlueStacks and now in the search bar, simply type in Pokemon Go and then hit enter. Alright, so now once you've opened up BlueStacks, type in Pokemon Go and then hit enter. Now, if Pokemon Go doesn't appear here, that's okay. What we can do is head over to bluestacks.com and search for it there. So let me go ahead and open up my web browser. All right, I'm over at bluestacks.com and now I'm going to search for Pokemon Go and then hit search. All right, here it is here, which is interesting because when I search for it here, unless I'm blind, I cannot find Pokemon Go here when I search here. But when I go to bluestacks.com, it appears here. So yeah, if anyone knows why this is, can you leave a comment below? All right, so in order to install it, go ahead and click on Run Pokemon Go on PC. And then it'll say play on PC or BlueStacks or Format Cloud. And then click on the link, the download link that it just generated. And now it should say yes. And it'll say checking your system. Then it'll say, yeah, Pokemon Go, it's going to start to install. So we'll go through the installation process. I'll download it and install it. And then once you've done that, go ahead and click on the launch button. And just wait a few moments. And then click on install from Google Play. Alright, then it'll say starting BlueStacks. Yeah, just let it run through the installer.